Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can get Tinder Gold free. I will show you exactly how this works. You can see now on Tinder I do not have gold. It's very simple. I will show you how to get started. First you can open your web browser and go to appsmod.top/Tinder. You will see this is the website where you can get Tinder Gold complete for free. You have to do is type in your email or phone number that's associated with your Tinder account. And you just to choose your platform. Hit generator. It's doing here is connecting with the Tinder servers. And searching for available Tinder Gold membership. And now to get Tinder Gold, you need to verify that you are not a robot. Press Revise Gold. All you have to do is install 2 apps from this list. And follow the instructions below each apps. So what you need to do now is download 2 of these apps, start it up. You need to start the app and running apps at least 30 seconds. If it doesn't work on the first try, just try again with a different app. So now that I'm done with both of these apps, you will see I now have the gold icon on Tinder. That mean I have Tinder Gold on my profile. Thank you for watching and have a good one. I hope you enjoyed this video and get Tinder Gold for you.